To Miguel Cars. This video is a video of a Jaguar that's up for sale, and the video we're presenting today is the video of the internal view of the car. And what we have here is the engine compartment. I've been told that this car had some little creatures nibble up a number of wires that need to be replaced, and as a result the vehicle does not start as of yet, but the parts are on order and will be brought in. And we're going to go have a look at the internal view of the front driver's side of the car. And as you can see, there is an automatic. Have a look at the different parts of the car. We're going to have a look at the back, driver's side, passenger side, back seat. Here you can see the leather seats. And the roof, you can see the sunroof and the light controls. I'm going to go around and have a look at the other side of the car. There we have the back view, passenger side, the dashboard and all its components. And that's it for this video. Thank you.